Today we're going to talk about how to solve two-step word problems. We've talked about addition and subtraction on their own, and you've solved addition problems and subtraction problems. Now we're going to solve problems that might involve two steps of addition or two steps of subtraction, or one step of addition and then one of subtraction, or other ways. So here's our problem. Bella had 43 books in her bedroom. She went to half-price books and bought 13 more. Then she gave 27 books to a friend. How many books does she have now? Well, there's several steps we need to take to solve this problem. Step one is to read the problem, which we just did. Step two is very important. It's to visualize the problem. Bella had 43 books in her bedroom. Visualize that. Visualize a bookshelf in your bedroom with books on it. And then she went to half-price books and bought 13 more. Visualize yourself going into half-price books or a bookstore, getting 13 books and buying them. Then she's at home or she's somewhere else or she's at her friend's house and she gave 27 books to a friend. Picture or imagine yourself giving 27 books to a friend. Hey, you can keep these books. They're yours. Step three, determine the first step. Well, that means we need to go back to the beginning of the problem. Bella had 43 books in her bedroom. She went to half-price books and bought 13 more. Before I move on, she bought 13 more. So that means she now has more books. So we need to solve the first step, which is step number 4. Which means I see 43 books and she got 13 more. So that means we're going to do addition. And here's our equation. We have 43 plus 13 equals G. G is the unknown variable. We don't know how many books she has yet. So we break it apart and we're going to do expanded form right here. We have 40 plus 3, which equals 43. And then we have 10 plus 3, which equals 13. And then we're going to add 3 plus 3. It's very important to put your symbol here so you know what you're doing. 3 plus 3 is 6. 40 plus 10 is 50. So now we come down here and we write our answer. 50 plus 6 equals 56. So we know that Bella now has 56 books. But have we answered the entire question? No, because she gave away 27 books to a friend. So we need to come and do the next steps. So step 5 is to reread the problem. Bella had 43 books in her bedroom. She went to half-price books and bought 13 more. Then she gave 27 books to a friend. How many books does she have now? Step 6, determine the second step. Well, we've done addition to figure out how many books she has to here. Then she gave away 27 books to a friend. So now we're going to solve step 2 and see if it's reasonable. Well, she has 56 books because this is step 1. This is the number of books she started with plus what she bought, which gives us 56. But now from those 56 books, she's giving away 27 to a friend. So now we come down here. We've got 56 minus 27 equals B for how many books she has. 50 plus 6 minus 20 plus 7. So we have 56 minus 27. So 6 minus 7. We cannot do that. So we're going to come over here to our tens place. And now we're going to take a 10. So we only have 40 left. We don't have 4. We have 40. And now instead of 6, we have 16. Well, we have 16 minus 7. We can do that now. 16 take away 7. Well, I know 16 take away 6 is at 10. Take away 1 more to get me at 7. And now we're at 9. And now we come up here and we're at 40 because we took that 10 and put it over here in the ones column. So we have 40 minus 20 is 20. So now we have 20 plus 9, which equals 29. So that means Bella has 29 books. She started with 43, then she bought 13 more, Then she gave 27 books away. So she ends up with 29 books. If you follow these steps, I think it will really help you when you're trying to solve two-step word problems. And number 2 is really key. Visualize the problem. If you can visualize it and think about it, then you're going to slow down and you can see that, which makes it easier for you to solve. And also step 5 is very important, to reread the problem. You can reread it more than twice if you need to. So make sure that you follow these steps and you think about what you're doing and you visualize what we're doing. And I think it will really help you. Good luck.